Hey Bookie, it's date night and we're gonna glam. This look should take you 30 to 40 minutes maybe. You're gonna start out with the Mario Badescu toner, and then you're gonna go into the Julius powder like I'm doing right here on the video, and you're gonna press this powder in to mattify your face. This is gonna help with oiliness and just help the makeup to look super matte, and yet you will still have a glowy appearance, but the T-zone area will be super matte. So you want to cover all your T-zone, all your creases with the setting powder. And if I didn't say it, I'm using a Juvia's Place setting powder. You don't gotta be cute like me. You can clip your hair out of the way. I just wanted to be super cute for the video. And this is my outfit for date night. It's a Latina vibe, some leather pants, my red hair. Now I'm going in with my foundation shade, which is 525 in a L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm using a dense flat top foundation brush. I want to say it's the Sonia. I don't know. It's one of those expensive brands that I got, and it's super soft, like super durable. I done had this brush for some years. I love it because it's soft, it's dense. It blended in my makeup in under 40 seconds, and this my whole face, and it blends down good. Did you see that blend? Okay, so we're going in with our pressed powder, which is from Maybelline shade 320. I hope y'all caught that a number, but I'm saying it for y'all, 320. And we're not using any concealer, and we are going to set the foundation with the pressed powder. Motherfuckers be trying to act funny, talk about what are you setting? My foundation. And I'm lying at the same time. Like, get with it or get lost. You're gonna go around the mouth, above the mouth, on the sides of the nose with the same shade. We do not switch shades. And again, the shade 320. And you see how it's mattifying me. You see how it's brighten me up. And I didn't even have to use concealer. Don't say I didn't teach you. I'm using the same shade for the forehead. I would use this to go darker, but you maybe should, or you might be good. This color isn't too bright, so you shouldn't have to. Don't use a shade that's overly bold. Like this shade lightens me, but it's not super bold, if that makes sense. And I'm going in with the second layer, which is, I don't know what the number is. What is the number? Can't see. Can y'all see it? Okay, I was blind, but the shade is 332, so it's just a small layer, and I'm really keeping it right close to the center, on the side of my nose, to keep that like extra bright and flush. And I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette. I'm using this palette. I don't know where it's from, but I'm using like a burgundy tint to contour with and bronze with. So like a burgundy / brown and probably like a deep brown, and mix those together, layer those, however, whatever we're doing right here. We just, adding some warmth, adding some color. I had a little burgundy first, and I think I went over with the brown to like tone it down and blend it with the powder, with the pressed powder, and just give you like a glow with the cheeks, and it matches the hair so it doesn't look too bland. And now I'm just taking that excess in brown and tapping it on the bottom of my chin just to make sure I don't got no flashback. You know, make sure it's warm up under there. And I know the same with my forehead. What little forehead I do have. Because, you know, the baby hairs take over and the bang take over. But you still have to get up there and do your magic. That's me going in again. Making sure this is like super defined. You see how that, oh, look at that. She cute. I'm like, yeah, clock my tea. So that is burgundy, I'm going back in with it. And I'm making it even bolder. I'm really just making sure my line is carved out. Give my face a lift. Brows. You don't want to do too much. You want to keep them real light and average because you got color hair. So you don't want to overtake, and you really want them to be like not the center of attention. So like I got big brows, so I mean that's inevitable for me really, unless I like shave my brows down. Most of the time my brows are kind of huge, but they're not thick, they're not dark, they're not overly concealed. They got like a sharpness to them, but they're not like, oh, they're not the center of attention. And nothing should be the center of attention in your date night look. Honestly, your date night look should be airish, light, girly, cutesy, blah blah blah. So this is me about to put the lash glue on. We're gonna use the, what is it? We're gonna use the LA Colors. That's what it is. The LA Colors clear lash glue. You're gonna put on some eyeliner, some black eyeliner, nothing super bold. I think I made a one in with eyeliner, or I made it did like an eyeshadow little vibe, something real light. And then put the glue on top, and then put your lashes on. I have my nails on. It's pretty long, and I use them as like press-ons. So I was in like in the hang of like just put my lashes on. So I use tweezers. Tweezers, they got like a flat, wide edge are the best tweezers. Not the small little tweezers, but like something that got a good grip that you can really control and hold. Those are the best tweezers. So make sure your tweezers at the tip has like a wide edge. Now you're going in with a Judas palette to like kind of contour their nose. And this is like a matte brown, and it's very light. It's not dark. I'm not really trying to go for a harsh contour tonight because it's date night and I want to keep it cute. See, I don't look like myself. I want my man to say, baby, you look good, I love you, you look like you don't like a totally different person. You know what I'm saying? So ain't nothing wrong with that, but I do want like a little between the eyes, like a little snatch. You get what I'm saying? I ain't gotta like snatch my nose down or whatever, but I can snatch that little V that's between the eyes. That's what we're really going for. And to show it even more, we're gonna take highlighter and we're gonna dust it right there where I'm dusting it. And I did like a light color, like a champagne, to make it kind of bold, so it can show up and give the finesse of a nose contour. That's me getting happy. Cause I feel like I really snapped. I think this is like the best part of the video because the lips just eat. They eat down. I'm using the Maybelline 85 for the brown lip liner. And then this is like a pink lipstick. I don't know. Vivid Lips or something is what it's called. Just get a real, like, this like a neon bold pink. So you see how pink that is? And I chose a real pink color because I want to have like a pinkness, like a real pinkness to my lip, but not like that pink. So I'm going in with like a nude NYX pink lip gloss on top to line it up. I just want to look girly, cute. So yeah, I took the color pops and I did that, and this is the end. Subscribe, I love you, get our thing, share because you rock with me, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, follow.